Okay, so we're heading back out to the field. I don't care that it didn't get 5 likes. It got 7 views. Oh well. I'm doing more on this series anyway. But yeah, I just finished unloading that. But now I have to finish unloading the combine. If you like this series, please like. And I'm gonna put it's American farming in the title this time. Because maybe it'll get more likes. Maybe it'll get more views then. Because lately my American farming videos haven't gotten many likes. Maybe that's why, because I haven't been putting American farming in the title. But, 8 are there these. We're going to get corn. We're laddies. Okay, we're basically gonna pretty much time-lapse the whole thing. It's mostly gonna be a time-lapse video. So, get some popcorn. If you want. Okay, so somehow I forgot to film the second part of the field. But anyway, we finished. So I'm gonna unload this and then I can't decide if I should buy pigs or not. Because I don't want to give him corn because I want to sell the corn. But then again, pigs are probably a better investment. Yes, it all went in. Okay, I'm gonna take the combine up and put it in the shed. Do not try going 15 miles an hour across the field. Do not try going 20 miles an hour across the field with a combine. It will not end well. I repeat, it will not end well. Unless you want to break a spindle or an axle. Just gonna prick it here. Then I'm gonna get in a 1206, I think it is, and start disking that field. Well, I'm gonna get Grandpa to do it. I might start buying pigs. But yeah, I'm gonna get, I forget which one the worker is. Okay, gonna get him going on that. Forget this artwork. It's just about cool. You know, I think last time I started a farm, which is my big one that I have, I bought money at this point and I already had enough money to buy pigs. I need to find a field for a reasonable price. But we're going to unload it. And then I'm gonna head down. No, I'm not gonna buy pigs. I'm not going to. Unload all? Yes. Okay. So, for 54 pigs is enough for me. Just going to park this here. And that's going to be it for this episode. Hope you enjoyed it. And thanks for watching. If you like this, please subscribe. Goodbye.